It was a standard morning, and me and everyone else were getting ready for the day. This particular standard morning ended with me alone in the house as everyone else rushed off on different errands. But that was okay because I had plenty of things I could do to pass the time until everyone came back. I could practice piano or learn to dance or maybe take up sculpture. And it struck me as odd that my friends hadn't returned yet, but oh well, I'll just keep myself busy. Except eventually, the piano went out of tune and my speaker broke and sculpture was getting boring and a year had gone by and still no one was home and I still had the house to myself, except now I don't want it to myself anymore. And why am I sitting here all alone? They all said they'd see me later. Well, it's later now. Now is later. Or was that just an excuse so they didn't have to say goodbye?